Okay, let's show you how to use the camping stove. It needs these bottles with butane to operate. So you open this lid. This is where the bottle goes in. You align the bottle with this small gap in the metal around the neck of the bottle. So now it's in place. Close the lid. Then you lock the bottle into position with this lever. Now all you need to do is rotate this knob all the way left. That's where the igniter is, all the way to the left. After you have a flame, you can adjust down again as you need to. Before you place the frying pan or the cooking pot on top, like this. Be careful not to torch the curtains, so you want to keep some distance, or you can bring it outside altogether. It can be used both inside and outside. When you're done, make sure to switch it first off, then you unlock the bottle. Never leave it in the cabinet with the bottle locked like this. You don't want to do that for safety. Stay safe, unlock the bottle, and you can even take it out if you want.